What do you want for breakfast? Pancakes?
Pancakes.
Thank you. I'm gonna make some pancakes, okay? Okay. Pancakes ain't so hard. Alright, need your pancake mix, milk, some oil, cooking oil, alright, gentlemen, and the egg. You making mass? I thought you were helping me with pancakes. I guess not. Alright. What are you doing? What are you drinking? Okay, this is gonna make about 6 4-inch pancakes, which is enough for yourself and your little munchkin. Hey, what are you drinking? There's nothing in there. All right, you ready? Come. We gotta do 1 cup of 3/4 cup of milk. All right, 3/4 cup of milk. That's right there. Boom. Ready? Okay. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Okay, that's 3/4, right? Let me see what you got. 3/4 cup of milk. Okay, pour it in the bowl. Aquí. Ven aquí. You got it? Pour it in the bowl. Pour in the bowl, in the bowl, in the bowl. Yes, there you go. Good job. All right, 3. Yeah. Now we're gonna do. You got milk, 1 cup dry mix. Okay, put the cup here. Okay, hold it right there. Daddy's gonna pour this out. Okay. Hmm? Okay, that's 1 cup of dry mix. Okay, now pour it inside here. Put it in your bowl. Good girl. Okay, and 1 tablespoon TBSP. That's tablespoon, not teaspoon. I don't have any idea what a tablespoon is, so we're gonna look at these here. All right, let me hold on. Let me see. What's this? Alright, we can't really see it on the camera, but it says 1 tablespoon. Okay, so we gotta put oil, 1 tablespoon. Okay, we're gonna put the oil in there, okay? In the tablespoon. Come, ready? Come here. Ready? Alright, good girl. Wow, you're a pro. Okay, no, put it in here. Let it leak in here. Good girl. Alright, what else we gotta get? Alright, after the oil now, the last thing is you put an egg. 1 egg. I'll do the egg, alright? Because I think, yeah, I'll do the egg. Okay, and 1 egg. Alright, now we gotta mix it up. Alright, love? Mix it up. Mix it up. Okay, let me help you mix it up. You gonna help me? You gonna help? Okay, help. Alright, thank you. Here, mix it up. Okay, we're trying to keep the stuff in the bowl. Okay, we're gonna mix this up till we get a nice pancake batter. So we're gonna mix. We'll be back. All right, keep mixing. All right, after about 2.5 hours of mixing, just kidding. About 5 minutes of mixing, you'll be ready. Just make sure it's smooth, creamy, no lumps. I know. You got it? Okay. Yeah, make sure it's that, and then get your pan ready. All right, hold on. Okay, just get your pan ready. I like to use a little bit of butter, but that's just me on my non-stick here. Let it warm up, low heat, and that's it. This is all the parent part though. I don't really like kids around the stove yet. All right, pan's warm. I like to use a little bit of butter. That's just me. Gonna make some pancakes over here. I already set up the table. I like to get everything set up a little bit. The coconuts is not part of this recipe here. These are snacks for later. We're gonna drink some coconuts in the afternoon. It's a jelly. Relax. Hey, you helping me here? Hey, what happened to my helper? Where you going? Oh, all right, she's gone. Yes, baby. Alright, now once your pancake gets to these little bubbles up top and you see the bottom starts to turn gold, then you gotta flip it. Right? Let me show you rookies how to do this. Wham! Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Should have been a chef. This ain't rocket science, guys. Ladies, this ain't rocket science. Now each pancake is gonna take about 2 to 3 minutes to make. If you have a bigger skillet or a bigger pan, you could do like 3 or 4 or 5 at the same time. You'll be done with breakfast in and a portion of your breakfast in at least like 10 minutes from start to finish. If you don't have the kids and you're just making them if they're still asleep, you'll be done in about 5 minutes. You'll be done with this. If you're not sure if the pancakes are cooked and you don't want to serve something raw, after you flip it for a little bit, you're gonna just cut it in half. Right? When you do that, you butt break it. You see that? Cook through and through. All right. So you call. There you go. Done. All right. For the little giblets, I like to cut it up into little pieces there, and I'm very extra. So even after the pancakes are done, we're gonna do some ready whip, and then we're gonna cut up some strawberries, throw it on top. See what we got. Yeah. Boom. Alright, let's get the strawberries in there. One more back. Then we're gonna do the. If you don't like the rugged style pancakes, you could flip them a little earlier. You got this little softy golden brown look here. Alright, but I like my pancakes solid, so I cook them a little longer than this.
I think that's what I think.
You like it? Okay, you got some whipped cream? Taste some whipped cream. Some of you guys like where's the syrup, but whipped cream and strawberries is just as good. I mean, you go with the organic maple syrup is really good, but I'm trying to keep her away from all that syrupy stuff for now, as long as I possibly can. All right, you got strawberry and whipped cream. Oh, uh-oh, that one's no good. Let me get that. All right, like it? Let's see what you got here. Oh man, yeah, straight for the whipped cream and the strawberry. Oh, yummy. Good girl, you got it. Oh, so proud of you. Oh my God, it's so good. You like it? Hey, you. I guess she's too busy eating it. So, all right, good girl. Oh, you gotta talk to me. I mean, what do you think about the pancakes? Do you like the pancakes? You gotta tell me what you think. You know? Yeah? Oh, alright, easy. Hey, whoa, oh my goodness. Gotta eat little pieces at a time, baby. Small piece. Take a small piece. Poquito. No grande, okay? Good girl. Okay, that's it. That's a good girl. Yes, that's right. You gotta take small bites, okay? Good baby. Small bite, poquito. Good baby. You like it? Alright. That's the objective. And it's healthy. And for you people that's iron deficiency and all of this, listen, feed them food with iron in it, with the nutrients that they need, and they're good, right?
Yeah.
Okay, alright, that's it. Simple, not rocket science. What I like to do too is if you're giving your kid a sweet treat, some whipped cream or whatever, give them water to drink. Don't give them something with more sugars in it, you know. Let them dilute it and they'll be good. They'll be good. Right, baby?
So,
Yeah. I don't know what she said, but yeah. And you tore up that pancake. Oh man, I had to put more whipped cream and strawberries because she was just a little animal. Animal. Yeah.